People, check this one out. 2012 Fiat 500 Pop. 107,000 original miles, automatic. In the last 10,000 miles, this car's had new brakes, tires, struts, hubs, a battery, spark plugs. Of course, oil changes on a regular basis. It's got a clean Carfax 2 owner. Check this out. Just a neat little car. I have receipts for all that stuff that I just told you about also. This thing's clean inside and out. It's $59.95. We take all forms of payments and trades. If you need help with financing, we can also help arrange that no matter what your credit situation is or isn't. You can take this to your mechanic, have him inspect it before you buy. It does come with our zero deductible service contract, good anywhere, 3 months, 3,000 miles. You can extend that up to 48 months if you like at your cost. And today only, with the purchase of this car, I will include a second pop. This is a Canada Dry ginger ale. It's 2 liters. So you buy the Fiat Pop, and with that, you get a Canada Dry Pop. So come check this out. We now specialize in out-of-state rust-free automobiles and motorcycles. We have fresh inventory coming in and out of here daily. Come see us, Firestone Park, Tempest Motors. Thanks for looking.